Okay, in our next training, we'll be looking into MT5, how to link your accounts, your PU Prime, your PU Social, everything with your MetaTrader 5. Your MetaTrader, sorry, your MetaTrader 5, it's all about you seeing the statistics of what is happening. It's a fast way of, viewing your account at a glance. So it's easier and people feel it's the real trading app or probably the real broker. When people say, "Oh, let me see MetaTrader 5, let me see MetaTrader 4," well, it's just an analysis of what is happening in your broker. So let's do that. Okay. Number one is you go to your Play Store also. Don't mind me. I'm an Android fan and I stay with it to the core. I, I have not made use of an iPhone before in my life. Even my wife's phone, I hardly can operate it. When, come and help me screw up. Come and help me put into this. Because I'm a marketer and there are a lot of tools that I enjoy on what do we call it, on Android. So I'm used to it. So what I'm only trying to say is all these apps are on Android. I don't know if they are on Play Store, and I don't know how they work. It is not everything that is on Play Store. Sorry, on what do you call it? iPhone Store or iStore? What do you call it? Okay, Play Store, my darling. Okay, MT5 is what we need. That's our MetaTrader 5. Okay, let's search, and this is it. So, because I've already downloaded it, it's saying opening. Otherwise, it might bring up install. So, I click on that. Okay, it opens this page. Already I have an account with it, but it doesn't matter. It works the same way. So all you just need to do is to click this menu here, quotes or quotes or what. Then you want to click on manage accounts. Okay. Click on manage accounts. Okay. Then you want to click on this add button so that you can add a new account. Okay. I click on add. Okay. Then here you want to search for your broker, although we already have it here that we are saying because we've made use of this before now. But let's do the proper thing. PU Prime. There are two. It usually brings to PU Prime, but you're choosing the one with the limited. You're not choosing this. Okay, so we are choosing the one with the limited. Okay, so after choosing this, okay, after choosing this, you need all this login. Okay, sorry. You need this login, you need this password, you need this server, and probably click on save. Then you log in. So that's all. So how do we click on login, password, and every? We go back to the email that we used for PU Social. So that's the same email. Here we have PU Prime Live. Excuse me. So we are choosing PU Prime Live as the server here. The other time we need to add MT5 PU Prime, but this one is purely PU Prime Live. It doesn't have number in front, so we don't make use of the number. Sometimes it might have, so you have to check it very well. Okay, so then we click on the first one should be the login. Okay, the first one should be the login. Come on. Okay, then the second one should be the password. Okay, I'm copying the password also. Okay, password. Okay, so after that, this has been clicked, then you click login. So let's see. So we are clicking login. I save this for future purpose. So right now you can see Rachel Omolade Adeduni has been opening while my own account is here. So You can always choose which one you want to check at a time, and that's it. So when I choose this, okay, this one is the first one is the one that is opening. So you click on trades. So as you can see, we have 0 trades right now. There are no trades presently, and there is no balance because there is no money on that account, no equity, no free margin. Then here, the trade is to see the current trades, while the history is to see the history. That means what is happening today, yesterday, what happened yesterday, what happened within a week and something. So these are the position, the orders, and the deals. So you keep strolling in between to see that. Then here is where you can choose which days or what range of numbers of days do you want to make the statistics for. So when you click on today, it shows you the statistics for today, last week, last month, last 3 months. Then you can customize your period, choose between so period. So I think this is all for now. Is the only thing that remains is to link up these your MT5, sorry, PU Prime account with Trade Varsity. So, and that is not much. So that's that on setting of seeing the activities on MT5. Thank you. God bless you.